In this video, I will show you how to copy a YouTube video link. So if you want to learn where to find the share button, copy the video URL and send it to friends, post it online or maybe save it for later, and make sure to watch this full tutorial and don't skip through so you don't miss any important steps. Also, if this video helps, make sure to like, comment and subscribe for more simple YouTube and tech tutorials. Now to do this, of course, the first thing you're going to want to do is find the video that you want to copy the video link for. In this example, what I'm going to do is just choose one of my videos. So what you want to do is click to be taken to the actual video. Now, once you're on the video page, if you look below the video, you're going to see a share button. Give that a click. What that's going to do is come up with a window like this, and you can see the video link down here with a copy button. So what you want to do is click onto copy, and as you can see, that's going to copy the link to your clipboard. What you can then do is paste this wherever you need to, whether you want to send that to friends or maybe save it for later, and that is how to copy YouTube video link. So with that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.